Have you got a website and you need to connect it into HubSpot? Today I'm going to show you how to do that. So you're in HubSpot. First thing you need to do is head over to Settings, then over to Tracking and Analytics, and underneath that, go to Tracking Code. All you need to do here is just copy that embed code and then pretty much embed it into the HTML on your website. Now, depending on the CMS that you're using, it's recommended that you do it either on the header or the footer of the page, but there are also HubSpot apps that you can use to automatically set up this tracking. So if you're doing it from the HTML, just copy this code and then chuck it into your website. But alternatively, I'll just show you in WordPress. You can download the plugin for HubSpot, and that will automatically set up your tracking, so it all connects. Alternatively, if you have a Shopify website, they also have a HubSpot app in their store. We also have one for Wix called the HubSpot integration. So now that you have connected the tracking code into your CMS, now it's time to set up a live chat. So when people visit your website, they can speak with you and you can interact with them. To create a chatbot, head over to Automations on the left-hand side, then over to Chat Flows. And in here, you can create a chat flow and start building out your steps. You can connect this to your website, and you can also do one for Facebook Messenger, but for today, we're gonna do the website one. Make sure you have a help desk or an inbox set up in your conversations so that you have a place to actually respond to those conversations. But I'm gonna connect it to our inbox, choose the language, hit next. Now from here, you can have a live agent, which is where you manage those conversations, but there are also options to set up an AI agent or a rules-based chatbot. So if it's a typical conversation flow and you're collecting information, you can actually have a robot do this for you. We're gonna do the live agent today. And then from here, you just pretty much build out those messages. In here, you can automatically assign conversations to team members. So you can actually choose teams, or if it's somebody that's returning to your website that actually already has an account manager, you can assign it to its contact owner. Once you've set it up, then move over to the Target tab, and this is where you can choose which web pages on your website it's going to show up on. So for example, this is for all pages, but we can have it on just the home page, for example. So cdub.com. You can also choose when the chatbot shows up for specific visitors to your website. So for example, if you only want it to show up for new customers, you can create a list of your existing customers and then add them as an exclusion rule. So we hide the chat for segmented lists, and then you could choose customers with active subscriptions. Finally, we need to verify that the integration is definitely connected and that you're receiving your traffic data into HubSpot. So you head over to Reports, and then under Marketing, there are some pre-built reports for web traffic analysis. I've gone over to the Pages view, and it has some pre-built reports for web page performance. And in here, I can see that it's already tracking the page views that are happening, and I can see which pages those views are happening as well. So that helps me verify that it's definitely connected between HubSpot and my website. Now, if you need more customizations, you can use HubSpot APIs in order to integrate with your website. Now, it does require more technical knowledge, but it will allow you to do more advanced features like syncing customer data or creating dynamic content. By following these steps, you'll be able to successfully link up your HubSpot into your website and start getting even more marketing data and make more data-driven decisions for your business on how people interact with your website and how you can better serve them. And that's it. Now you've connected your HubSpot with your website, and those are the first steps. If you do want to find out more about what you can do with HubSpot and your website, give us a like and follow and check out more videos. Happy HubSpotting.